Hello and welcome to this video on aircraft, ground handling and support equipment. In this video, we will be discussing the different type of equipment used on the ground to support aircraft operation. Type of equipment. There are several type of equipment used in aircraft ground handling and support, including aircraft tractors. These are vehicles used to tow aircraft between the runway and the gate, as well as to push back aircraft from the gate for dispatcher. Package carts. These are vehicles used to transport passenger package to and from the aircraft. Ground power unit (CBU). These are mobile power generator used to provide electrical power to aircraft when their engines are shut down. Air starter unit (ASU). These are mobile compressed air unit used to start aircraft engines. Fuel trucks. These are vehicles used to refuel aircraft with jet fuel. De-icing trucks. These are vehicles used to spray de-icing fluid on aircraft to remove ice and snow. Importance of the equipment. This use of ground handling and support equipment is essential for efficient and safe aircraft operations. It allows for quick turnaround times, which means more flight can be scheduled in a day, leading to increased revenue for airlines. Additionally, the use of equipment reduces the physical strain on ground crew, making the work environment safer and more comfortable. Proper handling and maintenance of ground handling and support equipment is crucial to ensure the safe and effective operation. Operators should be properly trained on the equipment they are handling, and regular maintenance and inspection should be conducted to identify any potential issues. In conclusion, aircraft ground handling and support equipment is an essential component of aircraft operation. It allows for safe and efficient aircraft turnaround times, reduce the physical strain on the ground crew, and ultimately contributes to a better passenger experience. Proper handling and maintenance of this equipment is crucial to ensure its safe and effective operation. Thank you for watching this video on aircraft handling and support equipment.